How to get free shipping on Fashion Nova. Well, to get free shipping on Fashion Nova, there is a key to it. Now, you want to reach the minimum threshold. Standard free shipping that is usually applied to orders over a certain amount, that is commonly $5 plus. So what you want to do is you want to look and you want to order at least the minimum purchase requirement, and then that typically will cost you less shipping, and also you'll get discounts and most probably free as well. Now, Fashion Nova also occasionally runs promotions offering free one-day shipping on US orders, often $100 plus orders, usually requiring selection of one-day method at checkout. So what you want to do is you want to select that. You want to make sure you have enabled notifications on your Fashion Nova. On Me tab, notifications, make sure to enable it so that you will get notifications on any such offers. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.